Danke bafethu. So Themba Zwane sibonile ukuthi akadlalanga laphana against iChippa United. So coach weMamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso ukhulumile after igame ukuthi kungani uThemba Zwane engadlalanga ngoba siyazi ukuthi lo mdlalo lona ubaluleke kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns futhi i-captain yabo. So it's very important ukuthi uThemba Zwane adlale nanokuthi athole i-confidence back after injury yakhe. But uMiguel Cardoso ushilo ukuthi izathu zakhe ukuthi why angadlalanga uThemba Zwane. Enye amagama akhe-ke yilawo uthi babe nenhlanhla ukuthi bafike early laphana ekuseni kulesa stadium lesa bakwazi ukuthi batrain babavumele ukuthi batrain then babona ukuthi iground lakhona likho ku-good condition ngoba linani line-sand kusho ukuthi akusuwutshani nje kuphela iground lakhona maybe liyabamba chaza kanjalo ucoach and uthi sikhumbule ukuthi uThemba Zwane ubuya kwi-injury so bengafuni ukumriska uThemba Zwane ukuthi mhlampe eyithole uThemba Zwane elimele futhi ngoba bamdinga ngempela yabo. So kubalulekile ngempela ukuthi uThemba Zwane bamreste for bona. Uthi-ke bekumele ba-protect ama-player avoid ama-injury siyazi ukuthi uThemba Zwane vele uqeda ukubuya yabo. So uthi kungcono ukuthi athole nje ama-minutes ambalwa uthi but-ke uzozama ukuthola indlela ukuthi uThemba Zwane ambuye futhi ethimini yabo. So uMiguel Cardoso la uyabona ukuthi awuhlakaniphe ngempela ukuthi uyafuna ngempela ukuprotect ama-players wakhe especially ama-best players wakhe ngoba uyazi ukuthi uya ku-Champions League final and he cannot afford ukuthi uThemba Zwane angabi khona for kuleya final because uThemba Zwane wenza izinto zenzeke ngempela yabo. Ngiyathemba abaningi abadlali bebhola base-South Africa whether ayisupport i-Sundowns or ayisupport but bajabulile abalandeli bebhola ukuthi uThemba Zwane ubuyile because uThemba Zwane akabenefit iMamelodi Sundowns nje kuphela but ubenefita ne-national team iBafana Bafana. Yes una 35 iminyaka seyihambile impela but yena i-contribution yakhe inside the field of play loya muntu lo is one of the greatest South African footballers we have seen. Ngikhumbula uThemba Zwane asacoachwa I think uBarker lo wayecoach iBafana Bafana kudala wayesho ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo umcompare noDr Khumalo wamcoacha kuphi uThemba Zwane uke wabake ku-loan from Mamelodi Sundowns ku-Black ACC that time baqeda ukumsayina yabo. uThemba Zwane kula aveza khona ukuthi okay ithalente elikhona mfethu yabo noma kuthiwani like yena ithalente unalo uThemba Zwane. Le injury le kuke kwaba nama-complications kuMamelodi Sundowns between uThemba Zwane noMamelodi Sundowns but Sundowns beyilinda ukuthi uThemba Zwane arecover abuye before bamsayinise i-contract entsha because i-contract kaThemba Zwane iyaphela end of June but-ke bamnika omunye unyaka bawu-eda phezulu yabo. So obviously bekunama-speculations-ke ukuthi mhlawumbe angahamba noma angaretire after injury njengoba semdala but uThemba Zwane uyabona ukuthi u-strong ngempela ubuyile uyadlala uyawathola ama-few minutes siyazi ukuthi uyadlala i-full game ucoach uyamzama lapho nalapho but siyamazi ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani ethimini uThemba Zwane nanokuthi uyi-connecta kangakanani i-team yabo. Udlalile le game le Mamelodi Sundowns beyidliwa 1-0 lapha ishawa yini ilidwa in fact esingasho ukuthi ilidwa i-Al Ahly. uThemba Zwane mengena nje uzamile ngempela ukuyitshintsha igame Mamelodi Sundowns yawathola ama-chances lucky enough Mamelodi Sundowns ikwazile ukushaya igoli last minute isikhathi sesiyophela ngaleya own goal leya ikhipha i-team yaseTunisia laphana ebizwa ngokuthiwa i-Al Ahly kuma-semi-finals we-CAF Champions League ama-defending champions wakhona. Danko bafowethu.